Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Fundrise for investor tax documentation workflows easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Fundrise website using your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in button located in the upper right corner. Click the sign in button to access the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email and password, then click the login button. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Get Started button to create one. Fill in the required fields with your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets Fundrise security requirements. Review and agree to the terms and conditions, then click the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click the link to verify your account. Once your account is activated, log in again with your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard by clicking on the Portfolio option in the menu. In your portfolio, look for the Tax Documents section in the sidebar. Click on Tax Documents to access all available files related to your investments. Here, you will find important tax documentation ready for download. Select the document you need, usually labeled as a 1099 or K-1 form. Click the download link associated with your selected document. The file will be saved to your device, usually in your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded document to ensure it has been saved correctly. If you need multiple documents, repeat the selection and download process. Once you have all necessary tax documents, you can use them for your records or submit them to your tax advisor. For any issues regarding your tax documents, contact Fundrise support through the Help section. Now you're all set with your tax documentation from Fundrise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.